Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. In the left sidebar, go to Appearance, then choose Menus. This opens the classic menu editor where you'll build and organize your navigation. If you already have a menu, use the Select a Menu to Edit drop-down at the top. Pick the one you want, and click Select. If you're starting fresh, click the link to create a new menu, give it a clear name, like Main Navigation, and click Create Menu. Naming it helps you keep things organized, especially if your theme supports multiple menus. On the left, you'll see panels such as Pages, Posts, Custom Links, and Categories. Expand the section that contains what you want to include, check the items you need, and click Add to Menu. Those items will appear on the right under Menu Structure. You can drag them up or down to change the order. If you want to adjust how label appears in the menu, click the small arrow on the item and edit the navigation label to something shorter or clearer. To create the drop-down, drag a menu item slightly to the right so it sits directly beneath its intended parent. You'll see it indent, which marks it as a sub-item. That indentation is the key to making a drop-down. You can repeat that to create multiple sub-items under the same parent. If you need a deeper hierarchy, you can indent again to make a sub-item of a sub-item, but try to keep it to 2 levels for readability and better mobile usability. Before saving, scroll to the bottom of the menu structure area and choose a display location. Depending on your theme, you might see options like primary menu or footer menu. The primary location is typically used for your main navigation and is the one most themes style for drop-downs. When everything looks right, click Save Menu. Visit your site to confirm. On desktop, hovering over the parent item should reveal the indented sub-items as a drop-down. On mobile, the parent usually expands on tap or via a toggle icon, depending on your theme. If you don't see the menu, double-check the display location and that you saved your changes. Also ensure you're editing the correct menu if you have more than one. That's it, your drop-down menu is ready and live. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.